Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Summer Walker Body. So this is a very easy song. We're not going to be using a capo. We're just playing basic chords, 2 to be precise. So that's 2 chords only. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and we're playing the following chords. So for the beginner player, you want to just strum through the song, right? So we're going to play E minor, and then we go to A. Alright, so that's E minor. And that's just down twice to A major. And if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description below, and it has a detailed illustration on the chords. Then you come back here for your progressions. But and then if you're like an intermediate player or like an advanced player, you want to play it like it sounds on the song. So like the bass goes from open to second fret, okay? So this is a variation of A. It's mostly used in R&B and jazz, right? But then I don't know the name of the chord. It should be like some A variation. If you know the name of the chord, please mention in the comments. Otherwise, we just have, we're holding the 6th string in the 2nd fret, right? So you have your A major, right? And you're holding that as 0 0 2 2 2 0, right? And then now you add the 2nd fret of the 6th string. So now you have 2 0 2 2 2 0. Okay? E minor. My body. My body. Okay, so that's same strumming pattern you would use for girl, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Girl, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You're just going down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the trick here is you're muting your chords to get that very rhythmic play. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out. Again, I repeat, new songs. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.